Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to access real estate and MLS style data in the United States using Land Portal. This platform gives property records, comp reports, parcel information, and market research tools that many realtors use. Click the link in the description to start your free trial. They offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test everything first. First, go to the Land Portal website using the link in the description. When the homepage loads in the center, there is a green button that says Start Free Trial. Click on that button. After clicking Start Free Trial, you will be taken to a page where you need to choose a plan. You will see different bundles. You can select the plan called Starter. This plan also shows a 7-day free trial. Click on the option that says Start for Free. Now you will be taken to the checkout page. Here, you need to fill in your billing details. Type your first name, your last name, your country, and your street address. Then type your town or city and select your state or county from the menu. Enter your postal code, phone number, and your email address. Your email is important because this is where you will receive your confirmation. Below the form, you will see the pricing details for the starter plan. It shows the monthly price and also a small sign-up fee. You will also see that the first 7 days are free. After checking all your information on the checkout page, scroll down to the payment section. Here, you will see empty boxes for your card details. Type your card number. Then type the expiration date. After that, enter the 3-digit security code. Make sure all the numbers are correct. Once all the information is filled in, look for the button that says Subscribe or Place Order. Click on that button. The payment will process and your 7-day free trial will start. You will then be taken to the order confirmation page and your dashboard will become active. Once you land on your homepage after you sign in, you will see a large map that shows different countries. This is the main map area. Use your mouse to zoom in slowly until you reach the United States. Then you can zoom in further to any state that you want. On the left side of the screen, you will now see your full Land Portal dashboard. This includes map search, saved search, orders history, skip trace, slope reports, comp reports, market research, mailing center, LP University, your profile, and the help center. To start exploring properties, click on Map Search. Here you can type any US city, zip code, or county. The map will load and you will see parcels highlighted. When you click a parcel, you can view ownership, tax information, sale history, and building details. If you want to check MLS style data and recent sales, click on Comp Reports in the left menu. Here you can enter any property address and Land Portal will create a full comp report with sold homes, market trends, price changes, and local statistics. You can also click on Market Research to view neighborhood insights, market activity, price patterns, and area performance. This helps you understand how the local market is moving. And that's it. This is how access real estate and MLS-style data in the United States using Land Portal. Click the link in the description to start your free trial.